laundry series, sorting. In order to begin the process of doing laundry, one of the first steps is sorting. There are several ways to sort, by color, item, or both. We will be sorting by color and type of item. We will wash our towels separate from our clothing. Our clothing will be divided by light and dark items. Something important to do while sorting is to check the pockets of pants for items that shouldn't be washed, like chewing gum, ink pens, or headphones. There are several ways that you can sort your colored and light items. You could use the Color app, Colorino, or safety pins to identify the different colors of your clothing. If none of those options work, you could also ask someone with vision to help you sort your items. When sorting, you can use a number of baskets to separate the items into, or you can create piles on the floor or table. Items like robes can be washed with towels. It's important to wash like colors and like items together because they generally require the same type of care. Some items should never be washed in hot water, and others should be washed in hot water. Some people prefer to wash all of their pants together and all of their shirts together. This system works too. It's best to select a system that you understand and can use effectively. Once you finish sorting, you're ready to start washing. This video uses the song Ratatouille's Kitchen by Carmen Maria and Edu Espinal, available under a Creative Commons license. This video is created by KSB Short Course Kirsten Price, protected under a Creative Commons license.